Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to convert PDF to grayscale in Adobe Acrobat. So first head over and launch Adobe Acrobat and open the file that you would like to convert to grayscale. Now from here, just click on the search bar and type in print until you see the print production tool. Click on it and this will open up this panel on the left, and here, click on Pre-Flight. A small window will then pop up, and from here, choose Pre-Press Color and Transparency. And under the Convert Color section, just click on Convert to Grayscale. This setting will convert your whole file into grayscale color. Then proceed by clicking on Analyze and Fix. This will then indicate a download. So just enter a new name for your file and save it as a new file. And as you can see, our file is now converted to grayscale. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!